In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for Shopify. We'll walk through creating scannable QR codes using Shopify's own Shopcodes app, so customers can jump straight to your products from packaging, flyers, or in-store displays. I'll keep it simple and add a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your Shopify admin on your computer and signing in. From the home view, head to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps area, use the search to look for Shopcodes. When you see the Shopcodes app listing, open it to view the details, then proceed to add the app to your store. Click Install, review the permissions, and confirm the installation. This only takes a moment, and once it's done, you'll land back in your admin with Shopcodes available under your apps. Open Shopcodes to begin creating your first code. Choose Create Shopcode. Give your code a clear internal name or note so you'll recognize where it's used later, like front counter display or summer flyer. Next, select the product you want customers to visit when they scan. Click Select Product, choose the item from your catalog, and then confirm by clicking Add. Now review the destination settings. Choose Link to Product page so the QR code takes shoppers to the product's details where they can view images, read the description, and add the item to their cart. This is a great default because it lets customers pick variants and see pricing before checking out. If you see additional options in your view, keep them at their defaults unless you have a specific need. When everything looks good, save your shopcode. After saving, open the new shopcode to see a preview. From here, download the QR code file. PNG is perfect for most uses like stickers or social graphics, while SVG is ideal for high-quality printing since it scales cleanly to larger sizes. Once you've downloaded the file, you can return to the Shopcodes list whenever you want to create more or manage existing codes. A few quick best practices before we wrap up. Always test your QR code with your phone's camera to confirm it lands on the right product. For print, use high contrast, dark code on a light background, and leave a clear margin around the code so it scans reliably. For signage, aim for at least 2 inches square for close viewing, and larger for posters viewed from a distance. Consider naming your codes by placement, like window poster or packaging insert, to keep tracking organized. That's it. Your QR codes are ready to share and scan. Thanks for watching,